Okay, in today's tech video, I'm going to show you guys how you can get a dual monitor setup like this, 1, 2, off of using a Mac Mini. This was a little bit troublesome, not as easy as what you may think, but I just want to show you how I do have it working. Like for example, there's my mouse and I'm going to scroll over and voila, it goes over to the second screen. So I have two different screens. Now, what I originally did is I hooked up on the back side of here a HDMI splitter. This cable goes to my Mac Mini, and you would think that I could take this HDMI and go to one monitor and then plug in another HDMI to go to the other monitor. Well, that was not the case. So I had to do some troubleshooting, and the way to get two different monitors using the Mac Mini is you gotta do one like this using the HDMI. Then on the back of the HDMI, you have to get a USB-C right here that goes to an HDMI to the other monitor. That's the only way that I know of on the M1 chip or the M2 chip to get the dual monitor setup. Is you gotta buy this little dongle here that'll connect an HDMI to your second monitor, and then you can do the other one using an HDMI to the splitter, then HDMI to your other monitor. Now, that's the only way I've been able to get it to work, but it was a simple setup once you have those extra components. I'll put a link in the description down below of everything that you need, but hopefully this will help guide you on how to get this dual monitor set up on your Mac Mini M1 or M2. If this video was helpful, go ahead and click a thumbs up on it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.